What's good, everybody? This is an amazing video. Thank you, AutoTop, fair use. Oh wow, we love Mustangs over here, and let's just hear how amazing this video is going to be. We know it's a banger. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTop. My name is Max, and today we are taking a look at this monstrous Ford Mustang from 2016. Honestly, is
Wow.
one of the best shifts out there, basically. A transmission mounted short shifter. It is so tight, so firm, and so satisfying to shift. Man, this honestly is one of the best mods for this car.
Oh. Wow. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect.
There is a lot of power in this car lurking in the background.
Oh.
And you can hear that whine. I think that is that Sean Foster whining mod or whatever it's called. The fact that you can hear that so well is
I would
just
love this car.
epic. Oh, there's some roadworks here as well. I hope they didn't move. No, they seemed alright. Okay, that's not that probably.
Wow. Oh man. Yeah, I need that.
Oh, that is amazing.
I need to do this to a manual one.
Man,
Put a big supercharger in it, because the 500
It's
is
so cool about
clutch.
these Mustangs that they are basically built so that people who buy them can do their own stuff with it. You know, these engines can take up to like 1,000 horsepower before changing the internals.
That's crazy.
It's just like they built them for you to mod them, and of course in the US you have like all these crazy mods for them.
Oh wow.
And you end up with a thing that goes like that and sounds like that. Holy moly. Okay, so I've got a draggy speedo there because the Mustang speedo only goes to 260.
Well, let's see this.
There we are, no road workers here, so I guess they left, or they were chasing Martijn.
Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
that is freaking hilarious. Okay, let's go to race mode.
Race time. Let's go, race time.
That is a lot of power.
That is.
Man. Oh, we've got space.
Wow.
Oh. Listen to that.
That's the best supercharger. That's like the Hellcats, the red eyes.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh,
Even at max
that
speed.
is freaking intense. And it is freaking fast as well. Oh man, what a car, what a car. That is hilarious. It goes and sounds like a bat from hell. Holy moly.
Oh. Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, I need this.
And that supercharger wide. That is amazing as well. And well, for a manual car, this is really bleeding fast. We did a 6.5 second 100 to 200 run. But you can actually go quicker. Alex himself did like 6.4.
Wow. This thing is a beast.
It's got some freaking long legs, and then you've got that insanely long 6th gear.
Really? Yeah. I know.
Or, I mean, it does do something, but it is so wrong that it dips so hard when you shift from 5th to 6th gear.
Yeah. I remember saying like that last rush.
But that is amazing.
Maybe a transmission too.
Let's do another little run. Oh! Amazing.
I mean, that thing is crazy. And it sounds just similar like the Hellcat Red Eye. I said like the 500 needed something to make it more louder for the Supercharger. And that Roush is great. That's a manual moving like that too. Wow. That short shifter works. See, modifications matter. They really do. Thank you for watching. I like that. I would get that.